Hello foodies, what do you see? Yummy and delicious Medu Vada, right? But this is not the typical urad dal Medu Vada. This is quick and easy Rava or samolina Medu Vada. So I'm going to show you how quickly you will make it and no grinding required for this recipe. So let's get started with the recipe. For this quick and easy Rava Medu Vada, we need all these ingredients. Let's start with 1 cup of suji, which is samolina, 3/4 cup of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of water, or maybe we need less, depends on how thick your yogurt is. Of course, for frying we need some oil. Here we have baking soda. I've taken about 2 to 3 pinches. This is cumin seeds just to taste, and salt as per taste. I've taken 3/4 of a tablespoon. And green chilies, I've taken 3 green chilies thinly chopped, 1/2 inch ginger slices, 7 to 8 curry leaves roughly chopped, and coriander roughly chopped. Okay, so in a mixing bowl, let's add 1 cup of suji and 3/4 cup of yogurt. Mix this well. Alright, so as you know, Medu Vada doesn't need much of water, so let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. As you can see, this suji is now set for about 10-15 minutes. Let's add rest of the ingredients: green chili, ginger, curry leaves, coriander, salt as per your taste, cumin seeds, and we need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. So let me add that. Let's mix this well. We need a little more. Yes. Let me get my hands in there. That's the perfect suji vada texture. Once you're ready to fry the suji vada, we are going to add the 3 pinches of baking soda. Mix this well. Alright, so just like this, you will see this is forming a bowl like consistency. Now once you do that, you will see you can put a hole in between, in the middle, and now it's ready to fry. So let's get while my oil is warming up, I'm going to show you a quick trick. So I have a bowl here and I have muslin cloth here, so just secure the cloth tightly like this and try to get this cloth straight here and stretched out here, and we're gonna place the batter here, and it's just easier for us to make a form of Medu Vada on this instead of a hand. It will be a same proportion, so I'll show you. This is how it looks. So I've secured the muslin cloth like this. Let's make the cloth wet a little bit. Get like however shape you like, but I'm gonna get the small ball, just like so. Place it on the bowl here, make a round shape, just like so. Alright, press a little, press it this way, make it round as you can see. Now dip your finger in the water and make a hole just like that, because as you can see this is perfectly shaped. Now this is ready to fry. Alright, so let's get started with frying. So just see whether the oil is hot. I can see that oil is hot. Now I have the Medu Vada ready right here. Place it on your palm and slowly slide it just like that. So make sure your hands are wet, and this is the sign that our Medu Vada is going to get crispier with the hot oil. Now turn the heat to medium low and try to get this vada fried. Don't flip it immediately, let it fry from one side. Once you see the golden brown color, flip it the other side and let it fry. Perfect, just like this. So this is a quick and easy Medu Vada right here, already ready. I have my sambar ready on the other stove. Alright, so let's make another one. So I have a cloth here on a ball, and I just place some water on it and get the ball ready, medium size. The curry leaves and ginger is going to be very flavorful. Place it on the top of the cloth. Make a round shape. Okay, and dip your finger in the water and make a hole just like this. There you go. Now we're gonna flip it on your finger. Make sure the hole is from both the sides and just slide it in the hot oil. Be careful. So you might be wondering how crispy they would look and they would taste. So I'll show you. They are really crispy. As you can see, they are really crispy. I'm going to show you how it's cooked inside. And this is how it looks from inside. This is perfectly cooked, and this is suji, so you know how quickly that will cook. So here is my Medu Vada recipe. Again, this is not from any grinding or so. Didn't you see how quick and easy that was? This is super delicious and super tasty. You will make it in minutes. Really big, delicious, tempting Medu Vadas are ready. I hope you like this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, and of course share your comments. I would love to hear your comments. And if you have not subscribed yet, I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye. In 1 cup of samolina or suji, I have made about 10 Medu Vadas of this size, and that's the proportion you would think when you make it. So I hope you make it and share with your friends and families. See you next time. Bye bye.